welcome back to my channel. So in the next video I'm going to do a review on the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless mic system. So it is the smallest mic system in the world. So this is it in the box. So what we're going to do, just going to go through some specs and then go through the sound quality on this amazing mic. So it's a really good mic and worth the money. So let's just get straight into the video. So that's what it looks like outside of the box. So in its nice case, just show you the inside of it there. We're gonna take an in-depth look at this amazing wireless mic system. Let's just have a look what's inside the box and I'll go through some specs on this system. Okay, so this is what you get inside the box of the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless system. So as I showed earlier, this is the case that it comes in. So it's a really good case. There you've got the Hollyland logo on there and you've got the battery level display there. So like I said, it's a really portable, nice case, and you've got the USB-C charging case there. So yeah, I really like the case, and those are the transmitters inside the case. So that's what you get. So in the box you get the cable, that connects to the camera. Then you get two magnetic clips, so you can clip those on. See that there? That's magnetic there. It clicks on the back mic, and then you can clip it onto your shirt or whatever. And there you got the Hollyland logo on there. So you get two in the box. There you get your USB-C cable to charge the box. Here as well, you get two lanyard things that you can attach magnetically. So you can attach the mic to that, so you can hang that by your neck. So you get two of those. Then you get, this is the cable for connecting USB-C to a camera. So it's USB-C to USB-C. So you can connect your phone as well to that. And then they give you the other connection, USB-C to lightning. And then you've got two wind muffs as well that come in the box as well. So these are two wind muffs that you get in the package. So I didn't go for the combo pack with the phone receiver because I'm most likely going to be using it just with my mirrorless camera. I may get one of the receivers for USB-C to connect to my phone on a later date, but that's called the creator pack. I've just gone for the normal package, so it's just that box then. So the other one will have a creator combo on it. So there you go. So you got the receiver and the two mics and the case. So like I said, this is a really good wireless mic system from Hollyland. Like I said, they made a version 2. This is they made a version 1 and this is the version 2. So I'm going to get them out and have a look at them in more detail. So they're like button size. So these are some of the specs: 48 kilohertz, 24-bit, advanced ENC, so that's the noise cancellation, which I'll show you later on in the video where I do a test on that, and it's got long battery life for 40 hours. So those are just some of the basic specs for this brilliant mic system. If we just get them out of the case, so I'll just get one of them out. So this is it here. So it's really tiny. So like I said, you've got the magnetic, and that clicks on the back. That's the noise cancellation button and the power button. So when you do open them from the case, they do automatically connect to the receiver. So this is the receiver. So there it is, it's pairing up to just one of the mics there, and the other one's flashing because it's still in the case. And then you've got this gain knob on here as well. It's a clicky noise, so you can set your gain between 1 and 3. And then on the receiver there, you've got the power button and the noise cancellation and the mono and stereo button. And then you've got the USB-C, and then you've got the 3.5mm jack input, and then you've got this clip on the back to connect to your camera. So like I said, it's a really good mic system. So that's what you get inside the box. So again, it's not the Creator combo pack with the added 2 receivers for your mobile phone, but that's what you get in the box. And you also get this nice pouch as well, so you can put all your stuff in there. So you know, it's a really good quality pouch. I think it's waterproof. So yeah, you've got all that. You've got that pouch there, and you've got the Hollyland logo on there. There's just one other thing I want to show you as well. So you get these stickers that you can stick onto your mic if you didn't want the Hollyland logo. So they give you a variety, like smiley faces and stuff like that. And then you've got a white and black, so it just makes it a bit more conspicuous. You can cover up the actual logo on here. So you'd stick those stickers on here. So when you've got it on your chest or anything like that, it just looks like a little button mic if you don't want to show off and show the branding of your mic. So I think that's a really good feature that Hollyland have brought. I'm not really too fussed, but I might put one on, I don't know. But yeah, you've got that option. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this mic system. I will leave the link below where I got it from and the price. Show you some audio quality tests later on in the video. So I've got the Hollyland Lark M2 mic on. So it's just on my t-shirt, so you can't actually see it, but this is what the audio is like in my studio. So I hope the audio is okay and sounds really clear. So, you know, it's a very good sounding audio coming from this mic system. So it's just below here, just below my hoodie. So I hope the audio is okay. So I did take this wireless mic system out. So I did like outside with the noise cancellation and everything that comes with it. So I did go out the other day and I did do a range test as well, see how far it can still pick up the audio when you're walking away from it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you that video now. Okay, so this is me outside with the mic on. So it's a bit windy, I'm out in the countryside. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk back a little bit just to see how the audio is. I hope the audio is okay. So just walking back. So still walking back. So I'm about 10 meters away. So I'm just going to turn around as well, see if the audio still picks me up. So I've got a nice little lake by the side there. Again. So walking back, facing the camera. So I'm all the way back here. So this mic does come with noise cancellation. So I hope the audio is still. So this is the mic with the noise cancellation. So I'm just walking back up. Car's just gone past. So this is a good test on the Hollyland Lark M2. So yeah, this is the noise cancellation on. So there's just another van coming past. So back in focus. So this is me stood about 3-4 foot away from the camera with the noise cancellation on, and I'll just turn it off. That's the normal audio. So there's a car coming now, just coming past, so you'll be able to hear the difference. So this is an outside test with the mic, so I hope the audio was okay and the noise cancellation. Okay, so I hope you liked that video outside with the audio. So who is this wireless mic system for? So this is a wireless mic system for people who like to vlog and want really good sounding audio, and don't want to be seen with a mic or anything like that outside. So it's more discreet, and you are still getting clean audio. So I'm really impressed with this wireless system, the Hollyland Lark M2. They did have a version 1, but I've gone for obviously the newer version. I'm really impressed with the audio and sound quality of the Hollyland Lark M2, and I just love the portability of it that you do get with this mic system. So this nice case that you can just drop in your camera bag or whatever and take out with you. It's just so compact regarding the system. So I just like the way it's in this nice case, so it's very portable. You can buy it with a mobile phone receiver as well, so you can connect it to your mobile phone and get really good audio if you're using your mobile phone to do any vlogging or outside recording on videos. But obviously this is just linked up to my camera, and I'm getting really good audio from it. Hope you liked the video as well. So if you could comment, like and subscribe to my channel, that would be much appreciated regarding this video on the Hollyland Lark M2 mic wireless system. So hope to see you all soon again on my channel BKM Tech Reviews. So have a good day, and I'll see you soon.